everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. Today is the last week out of the 3-week Bachata ARM Styling Challenge. Today we're going to be learning a very basic routine, but adding all the arm styling that we've been practicing for all these 2 weeks. So, are you ready for the challenge? Let's do it. Alright ladies, so let's go ahead and do a quick breakdown for first the steps. So for count number 1, we're doing just a basic in place. Remember, I'm trying to mirror in you. Difficult word again. Okay, so I'm going to start with my left, you start with your right. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? That's the first count. Second count, we're just going to do half of the basic to the turn. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third count, we do full basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now, the last count, we are actually just going to walk diagonally. We walk 1, 2 steps, and then we go into a body roll. All right, ladies, now let's get to the arms. Okay, so we're going to be mixing and matching because that's the whole point, right? Okay, so we're going to be doing painting the wall, which is style number 2, and then we're going to mix it with style number 4, which is peacock. And then for count number 2, we're going to do framing your body all the way. For count number 3, we're going to do natural arm styling. And for count number 4, we're just going to do peacock. You see this? Yeah, but we're going to walk this way, but I wanted to show it to you right here. We're going to do peacock, 1, 2 in the 2 steps, and then we're going to do comb your hair. Yes? So style number 4 with style number 3 mixed. All right? I know it sounds complicated, but let's give it a try, okay? So now, both together to the count. Let's do it. All right, let's do this. Let's do everything to the count, and we go. Remember, I am mirroring you. All right, ready? 5, 6, 7, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3, turn, 5, 6, 7, 8, basic, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 walks, and walk, walk, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's turn around and do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And because you stayed all the way until the end, I have bonuses for you. So bonus number 1 is Actually, for the step in which we go walking forward, you can add the walking body rolls, yes? So instead of just going walk, walk, which is also cute, but if you're a little bit more advanced, you can add a little bit of sassiness, which is body roll. So you go tiny body roll into the main and big one. Each tiny body roll takes 2 counts. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go 5, 6, 7, 8 for the main one. Okay, now for bonus number 2, actually for the same element in which we are walking, remember we're doing the hand, peacock hand, and then we're going behind the neck and just combing your hair. Yes, so the other option that you have, and I'm actually gonna do it facing you so I can mirror you, and then I'm gonna turn around. So we keep the peacock going up, and then going down, we can actually, instead of going behind, trying to touch your neck, you're gonna, with this part of your hand, you're gonna try to touch the left side of your face in this case. Yeah, and then you go around and then keep framing your body. So we're here, and then we do peacock, and then you touch the left side of your face, frame it all the way, frame it all the way. That's another option. All right, well, ladies and followers, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yes, you made it all the way until the end. You're a champ. Thank you so much, and if you think this video was helpful for you, please go ahead and share, and also give it the thumbs up for support and subscribe to my channel. And in addition to subscribing, click on the notification button so you will not miss a thing. And ladies, thank you so much. I appreciate the comments as well, so they help me know what are you interested in and what videos I can make just for you. Thank you, ladies. Thank you, my followers. And see you next week.